Come out and be here with me. Come out and be here with me. If you feel like having fun,
Hello, I'm Simran Chaudhary and I'm at Iris Aroma Boutique today. They have over 30 fragrances and they have a lot of fragrance delivery systems. And it's a very innovative gifting idea and a little about the delivering systems. They have three. It's called Reed Diffusers, then they've got fragrance vaporizers and aromatic candles. Reed Diffusers, they're long sticks made of tall porous stiff grass, and so I used it personally. During my auditions, I got a hamper from them, so I used it personally and I absolutely love it. They've got a very cute ceramic pot that you fill with diffuser oil and you stick the sticks in it and fragrance in your room. It's absolutely perfect. Besides that, they've got fragrance vaporizer and that works. They've got a bowl. You fill water in it and then you add a couple of essential oils and then you heat it with a tea light candle and it diffuses fragrance in the air, and that works 24 hours as well. Besides that, there is another thing called aromatic candles, and they're dripless and smokeless and they use natural wax, and the aroma is absolutely amazing. I mean, it's a very innovative way of decorating your house as well. As you can see, they've got a lot of elements, they've got a lot of colors, a lot of variety, and it's a beautiful way to decorate your house and make it smell beautiful.
So I'm at the fragrance store of Iris right now today on Lavelle Road, and it's one of a kind. Fragrance to me symbolizes a lot. I have 3 cats at home and it's very important for me to have my house very fresh and clean. And Iris ensures that there's no sort of odor in the house, even though I do have pets at home. So to me, fragrance is very important. I love lemongrass, citrus, lavender, and Iris seems to have a lot of variety, and that's so important. We have a very unique fragrance boutique where they've got all kinds of products. They've got diffusers, they've got candles, they've got candle holders, they've got all kinds of air fresheners. And I think that's brilliant because you don't see a lot of shops and stores and independent fragrance boutiques giving you that many options. And personally, fragrance symbolizes a lot to me. It helps me sleep better, it gives me peace at night. After a long day at work, I come home and I light candles around, go for a nice long bath, and it gives me peace of mind. And Iris sort of has so much of a variety, and the quality is amazing. The smell is intensely beautiful. So to me, fragrance is a lot. It means a lot to me. It helps me sleep better, as I said. It's scientifically proven that a good scent gives you a better sleep. So yeah, I'm actually very happy to be here because I've always used Iris products. So yeah, thank you.
I'm having a wonderful experience here, and that one thing that I love about Iris is that it has a wide range of fragrances. So you can see around me, we have lemongrass, we have lavender, we have rose, we even have fire. Fragrances, I really connect with fragrances. I'm very fond of them because they help in reducing stress, depression, anxiety attacks, and also helps you in concentrating as well. So I really like fragrances, and we've been given a voucher, and I'm very excited about it.
Hi, I'm Charlotte Seth, and we are here for the Iris launch. Iris is basically a part of the Ripple Manufacturers, and it is a part of the NR Group. So the NR Group is also one of the manufacturers of the Cycle Agarbattis. Cycle Agarbattis are something you would be already knowing. So what is so different about Iris? Iris is actually a very, very different company which makes aroma fragrances in such an innovative way. So we all are very much acquainted with the 4 basic fragrances, which is the lavender, lemongrass, sandalwood and jasmine. Yet Iris Fragrances makes a blend of in-home fragrances which are actually designed on the Nesso technology. So Nesso is basically something that works on the tuberose and jasmine. Iris is such a beautiful fragrance and such a beautiful product to use because it not only fragrances your room, but it is designed in such a way that it actually elevates your mood, you know. It elevates your mood because it works on your sensory nerves. So if you just smell in the aroma, which is a beautiful aroma that Iris has, you will easily feel calm, or you might feel elevated, or you might feel relaxed, or you might feel refreshed. So Iris is something you should definitely go for.
Iris has come up with an individual store in India. The first one was in Bangalore, thereby in Pune, Chennai, Mysore. They are coming up with stores in various other places as well. I think Iris adds up a beauty in life with fragrances around in your room. It gives you a very pleasant stay and a pleasant lifestyle. And it gives you a pure mind and pure heart to think different things.